when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I
want to show you this song. Raining. Oh. Pretty great. I'm gonna try this salad first because I got a new dressing. Oh my gosh, I got a small bowl. Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. Good salad. Hey. Okay, I'm kind of in a scary state. A little bit of a pamper night. Hello, I hope you are doing well. I have a little exciting announcement. This Christmas, I'll be traveling to the Philippines. It's still so far away, so I'm still planning things out, but I just want to get that out there because I'm really excited. Yes, I was just doing some work. The weather's so nice. We're already on spring weather. I have a little bit of time, so I'm gonna show you some adulting stuff. Yeah. I want to show you how I do taxes and stuff since it's almost, you know, tax time. Usually at the end of each month, I'll get all the receipts I collected and then I'll put it into a Excel sheet. You can use Google or anything, it doesn't really matter. I just paper clip the receipts for each month. This helps with being organized, so. I try to do that every time I buy something, but of course sometimes I get lazy, so I try to at least do it by the end of the month, so it's not gonna pile up. So nice outside. I'm reading some notes for one of my classes. Hey guys, I'm gonna start making dinner. Today we're gonna make chicken cutlet with curry. I think I'll make the chicken first. Chicken my mom marinated, by the way. It's a huge chicken. I'm gonna start on the curry. Oh no! Oh my gosh, no! Onions and I just don't match up very well, you know? I want to show it first. Wow, it's so good. I'm hungry.
No one's going to Amelia's wedding.
Who?
No, Dr. Shepherd's sister.
It's so good, Abigail. Curry. That's what you do. I made the chicken cutlet. I ate too much and then I fell asleep like right after. What I just realized. Raw Filipino food. I don't know.
The baker's son, right?
Yeah, I don't know what to show.
Just point the camera. This is good.
What?
And we got the lid from Jolly.
Oh, we also what? A lid. We also got Jollibee too. Oh my gosh. Half moon chiffon with almonds. Oh, I have to show this. This is hopia. We also got chocolate. I want to try some hopia first.
I'm gonna try some of the ensaymada. How come this one's easy to open?
I don't know, they didn't put as much tape on that one. It's like they're trying to seal it from the world.
Mmm.
Where's the filling? Don't they usually have filling? I'm gonna have a bite of this ube ensaymada.
That's just
why showing milk?
Ensaymada with a spoon. I forgot to log into my Mortal Kombat last night. Didn't log in last night. Lost like 200 days in a row of awards.
Oh,
what's this?
Bread. I thought you don't like that. Don't eat it. Why you ate it? That's my ensaymada. You ate it.
You said you're not gonna eat it.
You said you don't like it and you ate it. Ooh.
We're thinking that games like everything pronounced with a C is always pronounced with a K. It's like with coins, it's coin.
Wait, what?
You want to see my buddy boy? You want to see my? From this collection.
Oh, it's Abigail. Abigail time. Where's my fork? No. It's unfair.
What do you mean unfair? It's my money.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, do it.
Oh.
It's the reverse side of Philippine stuff. Go ahead, you do it.
Or I tried learning. Because like during marching season, I just never learned it. We would.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.